Checking in nationwide members. As you navigate through the menu on the left, you'll learn tasks like logging into the system, checking in individuals and families, what to do when a member is not in the system, handling the liability waiver, and what to do when a member is ineligible.
In this scene, we will log into the Nationwide membership system and select the current location. To do so, open a web browser if you haven't already. The browser should be configured with a bookmark for the Nationwide membership site. If so, please click on this bookmark, and if not, please enter the Nationwide membership URL into the browser's address bar. If you are already logged in, you will be brought to the membership search page. If you are not logged in, you will be brought to the YUSA account login screen that we see right now. This page is the shared login screen for all YUSA applications. Once you log in, you'll be brought back to Nationwide membership, assuming that was the application you initially went to. After you log in, if you are not redirected to the Nationwide membership application, please click the bookmark again or alter the URL to be the Nationwide membership URL in the address bar. Now we are logged into the Nationwide membership application, and you must select a current location. The current location selection is used when taking specific actions on members, such as checking in members or interacting with their waivers. The current location list is based on the user's mapping. Any branch location your user has access to will appear in the list. If you're assigned only one branch, then that branch will already be pre-selected for you, and you will not need to change your location. If you have multiple branches available, you must select the branch you are currently at. To change the current location, click the current location link in the menu. A modal will appear, and the drop-down list to view the locations available to you will appear. To select your current location, you may scroll through the list or type the location name. This will limit the options available to make the location easier to find. Once you've found your location, please select it and click Save. Your location is now set. Any check-in, waiver, or lost privilege action taken will be for the selected location. It is very important that the correct location is selected, as actions taken while at this location will be specific for this location. Please note the next time you log into the system, your location will need to be reset. We will now perform a basic check-in. To perform a basic check-in, one must first find a member in the Nationwide membership system by searching for the member. Members may be searched for based off of a number of criteria. Basic search will support last name, first name and last name, zip code, phone number, and barcode as input types to the search. These items can be combined as well when performing searches. Advanced search may also be used to specify more values such as home YMCA, email, or the date of birth of the member. In our example, I'll search for a barcode. The barcode can be scanned via an attached barcode scanner to the computer that the Nationwide membership application is being used on, or typed into search. I have found a member attempting to check in. To check in the member, I must click the Check-in button. Once done, the member will be checked in, and the member will be allowed access to the facility. Note the check-in count has incremented. The check-in count displays the number of times the member has checked into the YMCA in the past month. I will now check in a family. Checking in a family is very similar to checking in an individual. First, search for one of the family members. Notice how the membership ID is now a link, and the icon next to it shows multiple individuals. This indicates that the individual is part of a group membership. Click the Membership ID link to bring up the modal showing the family members. Each member will now display showing similar data to the main member search results. To check in the family, click the Check-in button for each family member checking into the YMCA. Once complete, you may close the modal. You may encounter a situation where a person is not in the Nationwide membership system yet. For example, if I search for Jake Jacobson, no results return. This can happen for a variety of reasons. For example, the member's home YMCA may not have opted into the Nationwide membership program yet. The membership may be brand new and the member's details have not been loaded into the Nationwide membership system yet. Or the member's data might be incorrectly entered at the home YMCA, thus making it difficult to look the member up. In this situation, please communicate with the individual that he or she is not in the Nationwide membership system and must follow up with their home YMCA. Please follow your local YMCA's guest policy as applicable. Cards may be given to members when they are not able to check in or cannot be found in the system. This will give the member an opportunity to contact their home YMCA and help resolve the issue. In many cases, the member attempting to check in will have not signed the waiver yet. In this situation, we must first find the member and then present one of several options to them. As you can see, the member has the missing waiver icon next to their name. The system will also provide help text indicating that an action is needed. Click the waiver icon to bring up the waiver modal. The member may sign electronically. The member may be emailed a link to sign electronically. The member may fill out and sign a paper waiver, which can be uploaded now, or the member can sign the paper waiver, which can be uploaded later. If a paper waiver is not available, you can click the print button, which will open up the waiver screen, which could then be printed for the member to sign. The preferred option is to have the member sign electronically. This can be done by either clicking the Sign Now Electronically radio button or one of the email options. The Sign Now Electronically option is preferred if you have a tablet or other device that can be shared with the member. You would click the button and then Proceed, which would bring up the waiver for them to review and then sign. At that point in time, they would return the device or tablet to you for admittance into the YMCA. The member can also be emailed the electronic version of the waiver. By doing so, you would click the Email on File radio button and then Proceed. Or if we don't have an email on file, you would click Enter the email address, where you can manually enter the email address of the member for them to sign the waiver. The screens that the user interacts with when signing the waiver are the same as the Sign Now Electronically screens that we just showed. You may also have them sign the waiver manually on the printed version and then upload now or upload later. Clicking the Upload Now radio button and proceeding will bring up a file upload menu where you may choose the file on the location of your computer and upload it to the system. Likewise, they may sign the paper waiver now and you can upload it later. We will click this now and then click Proceed. And this brings up the waiver acceptance modal to double check that the member has actually signed the waiver. And if so, click Yes. And the system will refresh and allow them access into the system. In this situation, we uploaded the membership. We indicated we uploaded the membership waiver later. To upload later, there is an icon in the header that indicates that we have a pending waiver that we must upload. You may click on this icon, or from the menu system, you may click on the Waiver Upload Queue to bring up any members that have yet to upload their waiver, that have gained admittance to your facility. From here, you may click the Upload Waiver button. It will then bring up the Upload Waiver modal, which you would then select the waiver from your local computer and upload. In some cases, one will find a member is not eligible to be checked in to the Nationwide membership system. This can happen for a variety of reasons. The most common are due to the member hasn't signed the waiver, the member's membership is inactive, the member's membership is not eligible for reciprocity, or the member has an active lost privilege either at the YMCA they are visiting, or the visiting YMCA has chosen to auto-deny members with any active lost privilege. These members can be identified in the search results. In my example, we performed a search and we see that there's an indicator showing the member is not eligible. Soon the system will provide details with the exact reason the member is not eligible, but for now, one must click on the member's name to view their details. On the details page, there are several fields that will provide more information. The facility member active field and the reciprocity eligible field are the most important pieces of information when determining if a member's reason for ineligibility is not due to a missing waiver or lost privilege. The member must have an active membership and be flagged as eligible for nationwide membership in the reciprocity eligible field.
Additional resources can be found in the Learning and Career Development Center.